BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, is a program that is charged to start the computer system after it is powered on. It also manages the data flow between the computer's operating system and attached devices, such as the hard disk drive, the keyboard, the mouse, and printer. The BIOS software is a group of instructions. It performs a self-test called POST, or Power on Self-Test, that helps to verify the computer hardware. If the computer does not pass the POST, you will hear a combination of beeps that indicate what is malfunctioning in the computer.